Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
One award, Kara. I'll be giving a deposit of 50 lakhs to the department separately so that it's ongoing. And I have initiated in the name of my grandmother, Manorama Bai Rane, who is the mother of my father, Shri Pratap Singh Rane. And this will continue. It's a 1 lakh cash prize for the best CDPO, 50,000 for the best Mukhya Sevika, 25,000 for the best teacher, and 15,000 for the best helper. And this will continue for years to come because it doesn't require any government assistance or financial implication of the government. It is my implication. It's like all our frontline workers in the health department and all आमचे doctors, आमचे nurses, MTS, housekeeping. तसेच आमचे सगळे CDPOs, मुख्य सेविका, आमचे सगळे अंगणवाडी teachers, helpers. During the time of COVID, they have gone all house to house distributing all the ration. Take-home ration, there is a scheme of the central government. That has reached the people. In spite of having a pandemic on during the first and the second wave, in spite of that, all ration and all the nutrients that are required for a lactating mother and for a pregnant woman so that she is able to have the newborn baby's child's condition and health is absolutely healthy. All this was being done. Preg, Nutri, all this so that the anemic child doesn't suffer from anemia. Yes, सगळ्या गोष्टी. Plus, we have a tie-up with Public Health Foundation of India. Shri Srinath Reddy, who was the main who was the main architect behind the PMJ scheme. He also has tied up with us with Swastika, and also risky pregnancies are reported to PHC and we are able to monitor them differently. So the type of work that the Anganwadi worker and the whole team has done is phenomenal.